All right, well, I was out running the other day and I noticed that a snake, it got all tangled up in some bird net the other day. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out what to do with it or how to free it. So this is kind of our plan right now. So going out right now. Can we put on my gloves here for a minute? So here we go. So we have these gloves. Is he still there? He's stuck. No, he's not. We're gonna free him. Well, is he all tangled up in there?
Yes. He's all tangled in even more now. He's been trying to get out.
Oh, he is?
Yes.
And he's all tangled up?
Yes.
We gotta help this guy.
Help the guy. Hey, guys!
Watch out, don't get too close to him. Oh, he's all coiled up. He's trying to warm up. Watch out, move. Move out of the way. So, you think you're having a bad day.
Yes, too bad for you.
There he is. Let me get him. Okay. See?
Keep pulling it.
Boy, he's strong. You should feel him pull when he pulls forward. Yeah.
Hey, how come his mouth is open?
Because he's caught in the net.
He's trying to bite his way through.
He's trying to, but he can't. Let me get over this way, move all the way.
No.
No, he's all cut up on the... He's cutting himself up on the wire.
Where?
Right there.
We need to help him. Hey, do you know?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do, buddy.
I'm trying to help him.
Oh, we got to get that. We got to get him out of there. We got too many squirrels. Man, how did he get so messed up? And that, he wouldn't get out of that in 1,000 years. Certainly wouldn't.
To help him. I'm trying to help him, but please keep moving. Oh, here. Try to get him out of. Oh. I don't think I could get.
Well, we got to get some scissors and stuff.
Okay, get the scissors. I will walk over him. Hey, don't move anymore. I will hit.
Come here, GJ, buddy. We got a big snake over here.
Oh, DJ, it's gonna find my eyeballs out.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Oh, he's jacked.
He's all in there. Yeah, let him see what he does. See what do you think, buddy?
What does it mean?
GJ, look. Look, buddy, here. Look, buddy. Instinctively, he knows to stay away from him. They just know.
I know.
So now what?
Well, let's see.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, he's still alive.
No, he's
DJ, he's cut. He's stuck in the net. He's not going to hurt you. But he's acting like a rattlesnake.
Yeah.
Oh, he looks like he has fake eyeballs.
He's just messed up. Look at what he's done to him. Move out of the way here.
No! How come I can't
So he's
see?
alive, but he's getting cut up.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Here's some scissors.
Cut him out.
Watch out, Kate.
DJ.
Okay, step back, Kate. Step back.
You can do it, Dad.
I don't know what to do with it.
Put it in one of the squirrel's holes and then...
Man, look at that.
Yeah, well, there you go. You just have to cut him loose. And
We're trying to free him right now. Here, hold up the video there, right? Kind of other words.
let's see. Let's see.
Well, DJ has big eyeballs.
Yeah, okay. All right, just be careful.
We're cutting him loose.
Careful.
Trying to.
Yeah, be careful not to cut his skin.
Trying to release him so I can go get more squirrels.
DJ.
Man, he is really...
He's really wrapped up in there.
Man. What a mess.
DJ. Did you get it yet, Dad? Whoa,
I
it's
don't know
really
how
cut.
he could do this.
Wait, how could he?
Okay.
So he's
It's just this net, it gets all over me.
Yeah.
I don't know if this... We're just trying to get some nectarines this year, and then this happens.
I'm sorry, Dad. Oh, you got a hole in here. I'm really sorry.
Well, he's okay.
Man, it's just getting worse and worse.
Uh,
GJ, we got it, buddy.
DJ's scared.
I'm gonna release his head last.
Yeah.
Does he have stuff in his mouth?
We're trying to get him out of this. Boy, he would have never, ever in a million years got out of this.
No.
Can't get it.
Okay.
Why would he just go right into here? Doesn't make sense. Hey, we have peaches. We have a big peach, Dad.
You got nectarines.
Wait, these are
Can we-
nectarine.
Okay, good.
Okay, there you go.
Now we're making progress.
There you go.
DJ's scared.
Here, let's pull him out this way.
What do you think, GJ?
What do you think, GJ?
Pull him.
Oh, he's trying to bite me.
Wait, what?
Yeah, he's trying to protect himself.
But we're helping you. Oh, he's a bully. How come the snakes are so
Here, get right here.
I don't get it. Snakes are so
Let's
mean.
get him away from this thing.
Yeah,
Maybe we can work on this. Okay.
there we go.
But it has one tangled up right there.
Yeah, he's tangled up.
Grab the video thing before that gets all tangled up.
Whoa, this looks so cool, DJ. Whoa,
Got it.
DJ, I have a. Hey, send
now.
it to DJ.
Now we can work with it. Come here, GJ.
Let's walk with Dad. May I cut one? May I cut one?
See what he does.
Yeah, I know, but here,
What?
just-
Oh, he does. What do you think, buddy?
Do it to
Woo!
again. Do it again to DJ.
Come here, buddy.
No, he doesn't like it.
Okay.
He doesn't like that.
You gotta work on it more.
You look so cool.
Okay, I'm cutting more of it off. He'll never live unless we get it all. It's gotta all come off of him. That's the bottom line.
Yeah. And DJ,
I guess
don't
I
eat
can
it.
hold him like this. Okay, pull this off, Kate, as I get it. Hold it. There.
Here.
Now let's work on this.
Oh, do I have to hold snake skin? How come this? It would be cool if it
Let's
was.
get it close here. See,
There you go.
we're trying to cut it, all the stuff away from it.
It looks like it has fake eyeballs.
I think he's gonna live, but he's got a big. Oh, it's cutting into him.
Yeah.
May I try? May I try? May I try to cut it?
No,
Dad?
no, Kate.
He's really.
Let your dad do it.
Oh, that's really
Oh, I
bad.
don't think the snake's like me. He's staring at me.
We're making progress, but I don't know if we can save him. He might be too damaged.
Well, maybe he could shed the skin. That would be a good idea.
I don't know if this netting is a good idea or what.
It's a good idea though.
I'm surprised there's no birds tangled up in it yet.
Well, how come a snake?
Or squirrels.
But how come a snake?
There's going to be more. If it's a squirrel, heck, I don't care. He's going to stay there.
Wait, are you going to scale it? Like shoot it with a gun? I would just like get the scissors and cut its head off. That would be easy.
No.
Snakes don't have bones.
All right.
There you go. There
Making
you go.
some progress. Buddy, you're not free yet.
Yeah, so that means you can bite me or chase me around. Is it trying to bite itself?
No, he's just trying to move. He's.
Wait,
Did you get it?
oh yeah,
Yeah, he's working on it.
Wait, get back, honey.
what? It's tangled and the net is in his
I don't
mouth.
want him to bite you, honey.
No, what? This likes me. But DJ will protect me. He's not a coward. He will protect me.
Okay, step back a little bit. They can strike.
Can't strike
Holding his head.
Oh,
Here, Gary, help me
stop.
out. I'm holding him. Try to
Stop.
Okay.
Okay, don't touch him.
see if you can get. I got his head. He can't bite us or anything.
Here, we'll have Angela hold it.
Does your dog want to eat it?
No, he doesn't like it.
It's not a rattlesnake.
No.
See if
All
you
right,
can cut
let's-
right around this. We'll do his head last. Get this area.
No, I bet he's starving.
Well, he's hurt. This has kind of
He's just taking.
strangled him up a little bit.
Well, it'll cut him in half if we don't get it out. It'll cut all the way through his whole body.
Hey, you should take it to animal hospital. Animal hospital.
Well, we're the animal hospital right now.
Whoa, cool.
Okay, step back a little bit.
He's curling around my foot.
Wait, he is?
Yeah, he is.
Cool. Could it do it to me?
Stay here, doggy.
Do it to me.
No, wait, come on, come on.
He's trying to choke you, I think.
No, he's trying to protect himself too.
Right.
He's scared.
By doing that, I don't think how that helps.
Well, he doesn't realize they're trying to help him. He's just scared. He doesn't know what's going on.
Oh yeah. He does have fake eyes. It looks like he has fake eyes. Like eye stuffed in him.
What a mess.
Yeah, what a mess. I'm sorry. I will
He's
pay.
thinking, the snake is thinking, doggone it, this is my territory, and look what they've put in my way here. Crap.
My tail the totally.
Yeah.
This is my
Eat
house.
my fruit, snake.
Well, people's trying to, but those peaches falling off, red ones. Mom, we're no red, Mom. Is it only ready? Because one is
We got him almost free.
See, honey, just
because I want to eat one like
oh, well, not right now. Let's get this snake out of here first.
Fine, the
You
snake.
gotta wash your hands. And
Yeah, I've
Get
been
this
poking
area,
it
see
with
where
a
it's
stick.
It's really
See
wrapped
if
in
I
here.
But I didn't poke its eyeballs
It's
out.
cut into his skin there. See how I'll pull it up a little bit.
Okay, really get this right here.
This is not on his neck.
See, if you'd stay in your own area over at my house where I put you, Mr. Snake.
Okay, wants to put. We're gonna put him in a squirrel hole in our yard.
Yeah, could we please
I got just a spot.
leave the
I don't
tail?
think he'll stay put though. It looks like he's traveling.
Well, he travels all over. This is the same snake we were messing with last year at my
No, that
house.
one got run over in the street.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
Maybe it was still alive.
He was big.
Wait,
He
really?
was
Was
a
it a rattlesnake?
No,
Or
it was-
Mojave Green?
No, it wasn't a Mojave Creek.
No, there's no Mojave greens around here.
Good.
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
I've never seen one. I've never seen a rattlesnake around here.
Cole
Oh,
around
I-
my foot,
You have?
Snakey.
Yeah, I uncovered one.
Wait,
at my
what is
house.
his name again, Mom?
His name's Duncan.
Duncan. Oh yeah, Duncan.
Duncan the snake?
Ooh,
I'm the
it's cutting into
master,
his
so
skin
call
there.
around my foot.
Here.
Ooh, it's going to call around my foot. It's going to call around my
Let's take
foot.
a
Getting a lot more freedom.
No,
Still
call
gotta get
around
this
my
area
foot.
Oh man, look at my paper.
No, call
Right here.
around my
Let
foot.
me hold it up.
Mom, it's calling around my foot.
You got it? Got it.
It's trying
We got a key area and he's not cut. Good.
That's good.
Now we've almost got him free.
He's crawling around my foot.
I'm gonna hold his head until we get up there.
Mom, he's crawling around my foot.
GJ, this is it, buddy.
Mom, he's crawling around my foot.
He is?
Yes, he likes
No,
me.
no, you don't eat it. Don't eat it.
No, he's scared of
come on.
it. See, he's scared of it. He's just, but he will protect me. It's crawling around my foot, Dad. It's trying to crawl around my foot.
It is?
No, keep it there. Ah!
Yeah.
Ah!
There's
Oh.
another bunch.
You have to be kidding me. It's crawling around my foot. Is it
Don't
trying
ever
to...
come by this net again, buddy.
I think it's trying to choke me, but I can't die with my leg. When you're
Okay,
trying
let's
to
see here.
choke my leg.
You know, there's another piece right here. There we go.
Oh, they're getting tight. Oh, he's almost
Watch
free.
out.
Okay, I'm sorry. What is his name? Duncan. Yeah, Duncan. You can't crawl around my foot.
Almost.
I think you will bite me.
Man.
Don't make a circle.
Wait a minute,
around
does
my
he have
foot.
teeth?
Oh yeah.
Is that
Oh,
what that is?
He's
rattlesnake.
got teeth.
He's got teeth.
Will he bite me?
No, he's not gonna bite you.
Oh,
Here's some more back
it's
here.
trying to crawl around my foot.
Right
No,
here.
Duncan.
He's almost free.
His name is Duncan.
It's Duncan.
Yes.
It's like Dunkin' Donuts.
How come he likes me so much? Now he's crawling around
There's a
me.
spot right here.
He likes me. Look, take a video of this, Dad. He's crawling around
He's
my.
going around your leg. He's curling around there.
What am I going to do?
Just relax. He won't hurt you. Not like he's a python or anything.
Python. Yeah, like they eat you. They choke
Let's
you
turn him
first
over
and
a
then
little
eat
bit.
you.
There's that one spot.
Whoa!
It's
It's-
choking him off pretty good. Back here. Whoops.
It's stuck on my foot.
Right here.
Mom, he was crawling
we
around
go.
my foot. He was almost up here. But I wasn't trying to touch it. He was crawling around my
There's
foot.
some another.
He was crawling around my foot, Mom. He likes me. Duncan likes me.
Well, he likes you to just stay back.
No, he likes me because he crawls around my foot. What's this?
Just kind of hold it.
No, I've got this.
Okay, got that.
Okay, Duncan.
Okay, now we got to get this around. Oh, see it?
Right around his
See that? We got to get off of his head, and then he's 100% free.
Whoa, I could see his eyeballs really well. Oh, he's tiny. I think he's going to choke right now because
Don't
you're
get his
kinda-
eyeball.
Whoa, Duncan? Let's not do that, Duncan.
Okay, hold your head still.
Look, he's Duncan, your pants. Whoa, man, he's crawling around my foot. He likes me.
No, he's just
Is he trying to trick me, DJ? No.
No, doggy, no, come back first.
No, he's scared of it.
No, he wants to eat it.
Wait, he wants to eat a snake? Okay, DJ,
He's almost free.
but what is his name?
Okay, watch out so that he doesn't bite
A
you.
little bit. Don't
But he likes me.
poke his eyeballs out.
We're not gonna poke his
Now you
eyeballs.
think
Wait, are they fake eyeballs? Are they real slimy? It's really fun watching the snake. I like your pet. Just put it in the house and it will protect us from mice and bad guys. We'll eat the bad guys.
It's almost like his stitches on him.
He really got himself tangled.
Yeah, we made a hole in the net.
Okay.
Stay out of there next time, Snake.
Yeah, he might not though.
He
Duncan,
wants the fruit.
Well,
Is that what he
can't
wants?
have it.
Yeah.
He can go have
Here,
a
let's see if we
mouse
can
or
get it.
something.
Now we're working. We almost got him.
I did it really well. Pull it out. May I pull it out?
No, kick,
No.
he can bite you. Kick away from his mouth. Now.
There we go. Almost.
Okay.
But he's stuck
It's
in.
inside his mouth. It's in his nose.
Yeah.
Oh, now his head looks. Now his head
It's.
looks like.
I don't know if we can get it out.
Yeah, we can. Just
But you said Duncan. He's nice.
Want to try to?
He's scared, honey. He will strike.
He was strike at me. It doesn't hold me.
He swallowed it.
Oh, he's probably trying to like bite his way out or something.
Wait, he swallowed it?
Here, let's
Could be a little
that out of his mouth?
Spit it out, maybe?
Maybe spit it out, maybe choke it out.
It's still,
Maybe pop his eyeballs out.
he's still got some right in there.
Watch, Kate.
Yeah, watch his. Don't let his mouth free, because he'll bite you.
Yeah, Kate, stand up.
How could Dad's? Wait, Dad is making his head look.
Just come back here.
My Dad is making his head look like a triangle.
Man,
Man, he's stunking.
Scrapped around
Don't be
his
so scared.
Believe me.
it's on his fangs. Look, it almost looks like a triangle when I put his skin up like that. Like he's a. He tried to rattle a minute ago.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
really,
there.
He's really scared.
yeah, they're really
There.
scared to me.
There he goes.
There you go.
I think we got.
Okay, let him go.
Alright.
Wait,
Let's
don't put him away from the house, though.
wait. Take him to the hole, Dad. Come on, let's
Now,
go.
now put him down. Put him down. Let him open his mouth a little bit.
Will you be able to catch him?
Yeah.
Kate, get back. Kate,
Okay.
get
We
away,
got him.
Kate.
I am away.
He's free. And there he goes.
Moving, man.
There he goes. Bye, Duncan.
Boy.
Safe travels.
Duncan,
Go get some ice.
No, Kate wants to put him in a hole.
He's got his tongue sticking out, so that's good.
don't be so afraid. It's Duncan.
Want to put him in a hole, Kate?
Yes,
But no, Kate's not going to touch him.
I know, Dad. This is the dog up to eat it. Whoa.
I got him. We're going to put him in a hole, a squirrel hole. Come on, Kate. GJ. Okay, come on, Kate. Let's find a hole back here. There's one right here. Yeah, here's a big one.
I'm standing back.
Okay.
He's
Let's
good.
see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Bye-bye, Duncan.
No, he's still got something on his head, or maybe not. Okay. Go in here, buddy. The squirrels never saw it coming.
Back.
There he goes. Go for it, buddy. Tear him up. And that's the end of that. And he's history.
And we know that there's squirrels in there.